Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we are just going to hop right into this video. We are doing a flexi rod set today. We are doing a flexi rod set today, and I'm super excited. I have not done a flexi rod in so long. Like, it's been a minute, y'all. Like, I used to only do like rod sets and stuff, but my channel has evolved. I've become a wash and go person, and I'm not mad at that, but it is the holidays, and I love doing rod sets for the holidays. I just feel like it's the best. It's not a protective style, but it is a style that lasts longer than wash and goes sometimes. We're just gonna hop right in. I have my hair already cleansed, conditioned, and deep conditioned, okay? So we have done that, and we've added the leave-in in the shower. I did use the Camille Rose coconut water leave-in conditioner. So I got all my flexi rods laid out right here. I have 3 different sizes that I think I'm gonna be using. I got the purple, and y'all, I had to just take the paper off. If you guys watched my last flexi rod tutorial, you guys saw I used end papers, and they were still on here this time, so I just think that's kind of funny. But anyway, I will be using the gray ones in the back, the orange ones in the middle, and then the purple ones at the top, because the purple are bigger, so I don't want like tiny curls. You can still separate the curls, but I did want the bigger rods for the front. So I am going to be using purple in the front, but I'm going to use the smaller ones in the back. I hope this look right. I have 2 products that I'm thinking about using, right? So the first one is the Mielle Curling Custard, just because I love this stuff. Y'all know I love this stuff for my wash and goes. It leaves my hair shiny for one, and it leaves a nice moisture. It smells great. Now the hold on it isn't amazing, but I feel like with rod sets you don't need the hold to be like a gel or anything like that. So I feel like the custard would be really great for this. I haven't done a rod set with it, so I don't know. But my hair is already moisturized, and I just trimmed my ends while my hair was wet. I just really wanted those ends gone, and I didn't want to wait to blow dry. I don't think I'm gonna be like blow drying my hair for the rest of this year or anything, so that's what's going on in my hair right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start from the back. Okay, you guys, so it looks like my camera kind of went off. It overheated for a little bit. So I did the back too, so that you guys can see the difference between how I'm gonna be doing my flexi rod set. So I am doing some elongated curls. I want it to be nice and curly. I want the curl to be a nice stretch. So I'm going to be putting around the rod, as you can see how spaced out this one is as opposed to this. Now for this rod, it isn't overlapping or anything. It's just very close together. But for this one, I stretched it out over the length of the rod. Now once you do that, and I did like how the curling custard went on, because it gives you that slip to give you a nice grip to twirl it around the flexi rod, and also it gives you that nice moisture that you're looking for to be able to like in that coil around it. I'll show you guys all that in a minute, but yeah. So I'm gonna take this one out, and I'm going to go ahead and wrap it the correct way. Oh my gosh, I have not even had these on super long, but this is what that looked like. Throughout this entire process, you guys, I kid you not, I have stretched out my hair. As you can see, my hair is stretched. After I got out of the shower, I twisted my hair and I stretched it. So it's a stretching process. Let me show you guys how to do this. You just go ahead and take your rod, put it at your root, and then go ahead. You can either secure it now or secure it later. I'm gonna go ahead and secure it now, like that. You want to go ahead and wrap down the length of the flexi rod, spacing it out just like that. As you guys can see, I'm leaving some space. Now you have 2 elongated flexi rod curls. So basically gonna be doing this same exact thing all over my head. It's gonna take a minute, dreading it a little bit actually. I'm gonna go ahead and part off the next section. Oh, and I had to brush my hair, so I'm using the Tangle Teaser. All right, so here's my next section, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Mielle Curling Custard. As you guys can see, that really smooths out my hair. Try not to put too much though, because I don't want it to take forever to dry. All right, we're gonna make this into 2 pieces, but I'm gonna go ahead and brush this together. So I'm gonna be using the Tangle Teaser, just really working this in, smoothing it out. And And what you want to do is make sure you're pulling your hair super tight while you're doing this as well. Make it nice and smooth, pulling tightly. You want to clip this part out of the way. So now you just got this section of your hair. You want to make sure the product is really in there, so I like to just smooth that product on through. Then you want to go ahead and take your orange rod, or whatever color rod you're using, and go ahead and hook it, tuck it, hold it, wrap it. Hook it, tuck it, hey, hold it, wrap it, yeah. You heard me. And you want to wrap it all the way down. And I do like to take my brush again at the ends, a little more product on the ends, and keep on wrapping. Once you get to the end, you want to just go ahead and make sure that end is smooth around that rod and roll up. And that's how you do it. Nice and stretched curls. All right, you guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my head, and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, you guys, I have completely installed all of these flexi rods. I'm excited, okay? So I did exactly what I said I was gonna do, and I used every single one that I had. I don't know how many that is, but I used the orange ones in the back, the gray ones on the sides right here, and then the purple ones up here. So this is what we're looking like. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and sit under the dryer and hope that it gets dry, because I am not sleeping in these. I refuse, not doing it. Too much strain on your edges and also your roots, so I wouldn't sleep in these. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and sit under the dryer, hopefully get dry within an hour and a half, and then I will come back to take these bad boys out. Let's go. Okay, you guys, so I have sat under that dryer not an hour, I would say 2.5 hours, and I am over it. But we are, hopefully we are dry. I haven't even taken one out to test it. I'm gonna start at the top. Might as well go ahead and take these out. All right, you guys, so I've taken out all of the rods except for the 3 in the top. I actually took the rest of them out last night, and I left these 3 in because they were still wet, and some of those were still wet, but they had already formed. And y'all, when y'all see these curls, let me see. So I put the bun on, and this is what we're looking like this morning. Y'all, these things are hard, okay? When I say hard and crusty, oh my goodness, it is so crusty. But I'm gonna see if I can kind of get that cast off and whatnot and fluff it out. But this custard is a different experience. That's all I'm gonna say. Especially with a rod set. I've never had a rod set do this, like ever. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and take these out because they should be dry. They're dry. They're dry. And I know I had a lot of flexi rods in my hair, y'all. Like a lot of flexi rods. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the rest of these out and start separating. What is this? Don't do the custard. Don't do the custard for a rod set. Just don't do it. Nope. Don't do it. Do you see the crustiness, the flakiness? Are you zoomed in enough? Are you zoomed in enough, friend? What am I gonna do with this? I had high hopes, but you know what? I rolled that hair so perfectly around that rod, and I had so much. You know what? I did that. I had a lot of that damn custard on my hair. I don't know where I thought it was gonna go. And you guys always know, if it don't have nowhere to go, it can't go into your hair anymore. So yep, stayed on top and flaking. I just did a flaking video. Why did I I am disappointed in myself. Now I gotta go wash this out, and this literally took a minute. Like, it took up my whole day. The curls feel nice. Like, my hair feels bomb. It's just, no. You know what? I'm about to go try to savage this. I'm going to try and stretch it and get as many flakes out as I can and see if that works and pick it and stuff. And we're gonna come back. Do you guys think I'm gonna pull it off? No, it's still a fail. It's still a fail. You guys know what? Like, there's no salvaging this. It's got all kinds of shit just flying. Just let it snow, guys. Let it snow. Like, I'm not sure if you guys see it. I'm hoping you see it. This is what I got the camera for. I wanted you to see this. Some stuff like this. When I say it's flaking, I want you to see flakes. You'll see this. I'm about to go wash my hair. I can't even just continue. I can't even. I gotta go wash my hair right now. It's so sad because these curls look like they had so much potential. Now I gotta do another rod set. Dang. Ugh. But anyway, y'all. Hope y'all like this video. Hope y'all just say encouraging words below, you know, like, I've already gone through the pain. I don't need no more negativity. But I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.